Hello everyone, welcome to this guide for viewing your Xoro customer statements. In this module, we're going to walk through how to create a customer statement report and basically see an entire transactional history of all your customers. So I'm in the customer statement module here. You can find it just by typing in customer statement. And what this module lets you do is run a report for all the transactions on all the balances for your customers or any customer of your choice. So what you can actually do is from this module, you can even do an advanced search, pull up the customers that you need. So I'm just going to select customers that I want to pull a statement for. You can leave the statement date as today. That's just going to display on the report what the date of the statement is. And the statement period is actually going to fetch the transactions. So for example, in this example here, it's going to fetch all the transactions for the report from June 1st to June 30th. So if I want an entire yearly history of the customers, I'm going to do this. And I'm going to leave this as today's date. And I'm going to select the customers I want a statement for, and I'm going to go print statement. I'm going to click print preview. So now what it's done is it's actually given me per page customer. It's actually showing me all the transactions for this customer. So for the first customer, it's giving me all the invoices, any payments, any deposits, and a running total on the right here. And this little section here is actually your receivable total and your deposits and your amount due as well. And then if I click on the right here, it's actually going to show it for the next customer because I selected two customers to show the statement for. So you can also print this report out to Excel PDF. This is quite handy if you want to see basically an entire history of your customer and even a running balance as well on the right here.